How much does a QuickBooks cleanup cost and how long does it take? If your books have stopped tying out, those are the first two questions, and here's the honest answer. A cleanup is the work of taking a file that's fallen out of trust, miscategorized transactions, accounts that won't reconcile, balances that don't match reality, and rebuilding it into books you can actually rely on. You need one when the signs show up. Your accounts won't reconcile, your reports contradict each other, or you're months behind and the file has quietly drifted from what really happened. The work follows an order. It starts with a diagnostic of the actual file, not a guess. Then it repairs what's broken, reconciles every account back to its statements, and ends with financials that finally tie out. And it's priced by scope, not by the hour, because the numbers should track how much is actually broken. A focused single-issue fix runs $1,200 to $3,000. A standard multi-issue cleanup, $300 to $7,500. A complex engagement around $12,000, everyone quoted as a fixed fee in writing before any work begins. Most cleanups finish in 1 to 4 weeks, done by a named Certified ProAdvisor who owns it start to finish. If your QuickBooks needs to be made right, TechBrot can scope it. A fixed fee quoted in writing.